Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review between these two database platforms, which is Firebase Studio and Windsurf. So let's quickly dive into it. So talking about Firebase Studio and Windsurf, both target developers but serve slightly different needs. Firebase Studio integrates tightly with Google's ecosystem, offering real-time databases, hosting, authentication, and analytics in one platform. Great for rapid app development and scaling. Windsurf, on the other hand, lean more towards an AI-powered coding assistant experience, making it easier for developers to write, debug, and optimize code with automation baked in. The trade-off comes down to scope. So Firebase Studio is more robust for full-stack app building, but may feel overwhelming and locked for deeper into Google's ecosystem. Windsurf is lightweight, faster to pick up, and excellent for improving coding productivity, but it lacks the full suite of back-end tools. Firebase also provides, if you want a back-end app development tools, Firebase Studio also win in that aspect. So if you want a smarter coding assistant with flexibility, Windsurf is the better pick. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.